Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video I will show you how can you easily remove the yellow border from your screen in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, if you are using applications like some screen recording or audio recording or streaming in Discord, turn that application off because that can also cause the issue of yellow border in your screen. After that, click Window plus R to open the Run tab and write msconfig. Once you do, click Enter and shortly a tab will appear in your screen. In this, click on Service at the top, and at the bottom you can see the option of Hide all Microsoft services. Then click on All Disable and click on Apply. Once you do, simply restart your device to enable the settings. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.